Did you know that when floods threaten their underground colonies, fire ants do something absolutely incredible? They link their own bodies together to form living, floating rafts that can carry their entire colony to safety, staying afloat for weeks. Here's how it works. Each fire ant grips its neighbors using a combination of mandibles, tarsal claws, and adhesive pads on their legs. This grip is incredibly strong, equivalent to a human dangling 6 full-grown elephants from a building. In just 2 minutes, thousands of ants can assemble into a stable, floating structure. The raft works because fire ants have water-repellent exoskeletons covered in special hydrophobic hairs that trap tiny air bubbles. When thousands link together, they create a fabric-like material that's both buoyant and waterproof, allowing the entire colony, including the queen and eggs, to float safely above the water. What's even more amazing? A single ant would immediately sink. They're denser than water. But by linking together, they create a superorganism that can stay afloat for weeks or even months, drifting until they find dry land and establish a brand new colony. And here's the craziest part. The ants at the bottom of the raft don't drown. Their plastron layer, that water-repellent coating, acts like a built-in scuba suit, letting them breathe underwater while supporting the entire colony above them for weeks on end. Want to learn more incredible facts about nature's engineers? Visit Sikho.ai for more mind-blowing science.